It's almost 2022, and today's video I'm going to share my vision board for the year, for my goals. So if you'd like to see what my vision board involves to continue my weight loss journey, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. It is almost 2022. It's the final days of 2021. So I thought I would make a vision board so I can work on my goals for 2022. So I'm going to share my vision with you. I'm going to share my vision board with you, and hopefully we can concentrate on that and continue my weight loss journey of losing 181 pounds. So this is my vision board, 2022. My word of the year is focus. I'm going to focus on my goals. This is a before and after picture that I have taken, and here's another one. So it's going to remind me to keep going and to get back to where I was, because I did put on a few pounds in the last few months. But we're going to go at it strong for 2022. Here's my theme: eat healthy, get fit, be well. That's what we're going to do in 2022. So I have focus, dream big, set goals, take action. That's what it's all about. And what are my goals for 2022? Well, track. Track is big. Make sure you mark down all the food you eat, no matter what. If it's every bite, lick, and taste, track it. Water. I want to drink my gallon of water every day. It helps wash away the pounds. I truly believe that, and I want to get on it again because I've been slacking. Plan your meals, plan your days. You have to be prepared to stay on this journey, so that is one of my key words. And walk. Get those 10,000 steps again every day, not just some days. Commit is another word I want to focus on. Commit to what I want to do. Commit to my daily goals, to achieve monthly goals. Everything adds up to get your weight goals. I got to believe that I can do it. Work hard. Believe. Just do it. I don't want to have any excuses, so no excuses. If I don't feel like walking, I'm going to get up and walk anyways. I'm going to make sure I have no excuses. If we're not in the same environment for eating, I'm going to still try to stay on plan, and I don't want to have any excuses. I want to get this weight off. I'm not getting any younger, so I got to do it. If not now, then when? Do it 1 pound at a time. That's all it takes. Takes your small steps, your small goals, and it'll come off 1 pound at a time. I'm going to make it happen this year. I'm going to stay on my goals, stay focused to achieve what I want. Stay positive. Even if you have some slip-ups, you just get back on it and stay positive, and you're going to keep on going. Never give up. Never give up. Keep on going. Push on. Push on. Get that fitness in. Go to the gym. Work out whenever you can. Get steps whenever you can. Strive for progress, not perfection. It doesn't have to be a perfect trip. which was one of my mental blocks. I always feel like I have to do it all or nothing. So I'm going to just do it at every moment I can. And if I do have a slip up, oh well, I'll get back on the next meal. Savor the moment. I've always believed in that. When you're doing something that is a special moment in your life, savor that moment because you'll be more likely to remember it. So I want to savor this moment of when I was going down vertically and I'm going to get back on it. Savor the moment. So I think that about sums up my vision board. I'm going to keep it displayed so I can see it every day. Remind me of what I want to do. What do I want to achieve this year? Last year I set goals for 2021. Some of the goals I didn't achieve. Some of the goals, well, I guess I didn't achieve my goals 100%. I did most of the year, then I slacked off the second half of the year. So we got to get back on it. I want to make sure I'm walking, make sure I'm drinking, make sure I'm planning, and make sure I'm eating healthy. I think those 4 things are very important in losing weight. So that's what I'm planning on doing for 2022. I want to do, I want to continue to do the videos. I think they're very helpful to me and hopefully to you. I want to get a goal of doing 3 out every week. So I think I'll do a what I eat in the day weekly, maybe a weekly tip one, and a grocery haul or grocery planning. So that's kind of what my goals are for my videos. But I do want to focus. Focus, focus, focus. Focus on those goals for 2022 because I want to achieve my goal of losing 181 pounds. I've probably gained about 20 back. So I want to get back on from my most of losing 100 and I think 128 was my highest. And I've gained, I think, about 20 back. With slacking off, the holidays, going to Vegas, doing all those things, it contributes to gaining weight. But no excuses. Let's get back on it. So I hope you enjoyed me sharing the vision board that I made for 2022. Please comment below on what your word of the year is. Pick one, focus on it, and let's see if we can follow through with it for the whole year. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.